How to view your email password in Outlook. If you're trying to find your Outlook email password, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and there are two methods you can use. First, let's try it directly through the Outlook app. Open Outlook and go to the left side of the screen, then click File. From there, select Account Settings, and again choose Account Settings from the drop-down. This is where you can add, remove, or change account details. Click on the email account you want to check. Above it, you'll see the Repair option. Click Repair, then open Advanced Options. Choose Let me repair my account manually, and click Repair again. A new window will open with your account details. Under Incoming Mail, you'll see your username, and just below that you should see the password field. If Outlook allows it, you can toggle the visibility of the password here. But sometimes this method won't show the password depending on your Outlook setup. If that happens, here's the second method using your browser. Open your browser and go to the Password Manager. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and then open Passwords and Autofill. From there, select the Google Password Manager. In the search bar, type Outlook or live.com. When your saved Outlook account appears, click on it. You'll see your email and a hidden password. Simply click the Show Password icon to reveal it. You can also copy it if needed or make changes that will update directly to your account. And that's how you find your email password for Outlook using either the Outlook app or your browser's password manager. If this helped you, consider giving it a like, and I'll see you in the next video.